Dear students, yesterday I started to explain you the chapter Coral Creatures of the Deep, Part 2. Yes, Class 4. Today I shall continue the same chapter. Please take out page number 188. First of all, I will read the page. Listen to the explanation attentively, please. I will ask some questions in the end. Flying fish are harmless little creatures, but there are large and fierce deep sea fish which no swimmer or diver cares to meet. The sawfish and the swordfish are two of these. The first one has a snout shaped like a sharp-toothed saw, while the nose of the other is like a very long sword. It is thought that the sawfish uses his saw chiefly as a spade with which to dig juicy morsels from the mud at the bottom of the sea. The swordfish, however, does not think twice about running his sword through the body of any foe. Sometimes he pierces the bottom of a boat with it. Dear students, actually flying fish are not able to cause harm. They are harmless sea animals. But in the deep sea, there are different wild and aggressive big fish. Nobody wants to meet them. So, dear students, among those aggressive and wild fish, sawfish and swordfish are well known. Students, have you ever seen a saw? Let me tell you. Saw is a tool. We use it for cutting a tree or wood. So the sawfish has a snout shaped like a sharp saw. Snout means its nose is extending outwards, or the projecting nose in the mouth of an animal is called a snout. Generally, the sawfish uses his saw as a spade to dig small pieces of food from the bottom of the sea. Students, what is a spade? Yes, I'm telling you, a spade is a tool with a sharp blade and a long handle to dig the ground. Yes, class, in this chapter we are reading about another cool creature, and this is swordfish. All of you must have seen a sword. People use it to fight with each other. Am I right, class? Same as the swordfish has a sword-like nose. Yes, class 4. The swordfish becomes furious that it doesn't think twice to kill his enemy. He pierces the lowest part or the bottom of a boat. Yes, class, I have already explained you the meaning of pierce. Who will tell me? Yes, please try. Pierce means to make a hole in or to prick. Yes, class? So the swordfish pierces the bottom of the boat when it is furious, extremely angry. Look at the book again. A diver was once being lowered to the bed of the ocean in order to explore the wreck of a sunken ship. On his way, he espied a baby swordfish gazing at him through the green water. Feeling rather afraid, he killed the little swordfish. At once, the angry mother came into view and tried to run her sword through the diver's body. Look at the diver. This is a wrecked ship. The man gave the signals to his friends above and they began to haul him up. As he rose, the furious swordfish swam around him, seeking to find a weak spot in his diving suit, and it was only when he was quite near the surface that she gave up the chase. By that time, the diver had fainted with fright. Yes, class 4. Do you know who is a diver? A diver is a person who swims underwater using special breathing equipment. So, Once upon a time, there was a diver who went downwards direction to the bottom of the sea. He wanted to explore the remains of a ship that has wrecked into the bottom of the ocean. I have just shown you a wrecked ship. He noticed that a baby swordfish was staring at him, looking at him fixedly. The diver became so scared or nervous that he killed the baby swordfish. But unfortunately, the mother swordfish saw all that happening. The mother swordfish became extremely furious, angry, and tried to kill the diver. The diver's friends were waiting for him outside the sea. When the diver sent an indicator to help him, they began to pull him up. Dear students, here is a word, haul. It means to drag or pull. Yes, class 4. So, the swordfish was looking for a chance to hurt the diver with his sword. But luckily, the diver's friend saved him. By that time, the diver had become unconscious with horror. Yes, class 4, look at the book again, the last paragraph. Another fish which it is worthwhile to avoid is the electric ray. It is found in many parts of the world. Next page, class. Look at the electric ray. Yes, class. Look at the fish piercing the boat. Yes, this fish has a round body and a long tail, dark above and white beneath. It has beneath its gills a large number of electric cells with which, when it is faced with an enemy, it can give an electric shock. Bathers who touch an electric ray may feel a sharp sting and a tingle, but if the fish is a big one, it can give a fully grown man a shock from which he may not recover for several days. Yes, class 4. So, wait, there is another fish. It is better to avoid it as much as possible. This is electric ray fish. Yes, please repeat it along with me. Electric ray fish. This fish has a round body and a long tail. I have just shown you the fish. Below its gills there are many electric cells. By the help of these electric cells, the electric ray fish give an electric shock. If anybody touches an electric ray fish, he may feel a sharp pain, and in case he touches a big electric ray fish, it is sure that he may not return to normal state of health for several days. Okay, class, that's all. I hope you will listen this explanation at least twice. Look at this, the diver. Yes. Okay, class. Thank you.